Hey, welcome back. In the last lesson, we have discussed about the Python introduction. In this video, we're gonna discuss about Python comments. So, what are comments? Comments can be used to explain Python code. It makes the code more readable. Comments are used to present execution when testing code. Let's know how to write the comments. Comments are so easy to write. It is written with a hashtag like this. So it makes the line ignored by Python. So when you write a hashtag before the line starts, it is ignored by Python. So let us write some example. This is the statement. So it is not executed by Python because we use the hashtag before this. So when you click run, it will show only hello world because on the first line it will not execute, only the second line will execute. So it is useful to explain the Python code. So when you put hashtag before the print statement, it will also not execute. So when you click run, it shows nothing because we use hashtag before the print statement. So let's remove the hashtag and run it again. Click on the run and you can see hello world because we removed the hashtag. If you have more than one line, just put a hashtag for each like this. So I'm going to write, this is the statement that prints hello world. So this is the another line, but we want to put another hashtag to it. That's like. So when you click run, it will successfully executed hello world because first two lines are not executed because we use hashtags for that. Comments can be used at the end of the line. As you can see, I'm writing another comment here. This is another comment. So let's run this. See, we can't see any errors because we use hashtag for this. Anything after the hash sign becomes no more to execute. That's why comments are useful to explain Python code and makes code more readable and to prevent execution when testing code. Hope you guys understand the video.